حرفها Soomaaliga Somali alphabets ba ta ja ha qa da ra sa sha da a ga fa qa ka la ma na ha wa ya. That's it for Somali alphabets. Repeat it, share it, teach yourself and the kids. Until next time, it's me Ahmed. Goodbye.